Next next example, 9.28 integral 0 to 1 tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of 1 minus x dx that is equal to pi by 2 minus log it is 2. So now consider the left hand side equation. The left hand side is equal to integral 0 to 1 within the bracket it is tan inverse of x plus it is tan inverse of 1 minus it is x within the bracket into dx. Now just it is multiply integration inside the bracket, that is equal to integration of 0 to it is 1 tan inverse of it is x first term into dx plus integral it is 0 to it is 0 to 1 tan inverse of 1 minus it is x into it is dx. Now keep the first term as it is, second term we apply integral formula. Integral 0 to it is a f of it is x into dx is equal to integral 0 to it is a f of a minus it is x into dx. Apply this, it is integral formula for the second it is interval. Therefore here a equal to 1. First term as it is, integral 0 to it is 1 tan inverse of x into dx plus integral 0 to it is 1 tan inverse of 1 minus instead of x we can write as it is a is called 1, a minus it is x, it is 1 minus it is x into it is dx. Now just it is multiply the bracket. First term as it is integral 0 to it is 1 tan inverse of x into dx plus integral 0 to it is 1 tan it is inverse of 1 minus into plus it is minus it is 1 minus it is plus it is x into dx. Minus 1 plus 1 both are it is cancelled. That is equal to integral 0 to it is 1 tan inverse of x into dx plus integral 0 to it is 1 tan it is inverse of plus 1 minus 1 cancel remaining x. Therefore x into it is dx. Both are same it is interval, same term, we can write 2 times of integral it is 0 to it is 1 tan it is inverse of x into dx. Now there is no direct formula for applying of it is integration tan inverse of it is x. So we applying of it is method of it is integration by part. Integration by part. Integral u into dv is equal to uv minus integral it is v into du. By applying of it is integration by it is part. Applying of integration by part, integral u into dv is equal to uv minus integral v into du. Here considered u is called it is tan inverse of x and dv is considered as it is dx. Therefore the 2 it outside. U that is equal to tan inverse of it is x, dv that is equal to dx. Now this side we have to differentiate, this side we want to integrate. Partially it is partly it is integration, partly it is differentiation. That integration by parts. Therefore differentiation of it is u equal to it is du and differentiation of it is tan inverse equal to 1 by 1 plus it is x square into it is dx. Differentiation of it is tan inverse of x equal to 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. Differentiation of u equal to du. Integration of it is dv that is equal to v. And integration of it is dx that is equal to x. That is equal to x. This side we have to integrate, this side we have to it is differentiate. Now apply this it is formula for the last it is line. Integral, the 2 is outside, integral it is 0 to 1 and u is called tan inverse of x, dv is called it is dx. Now apply the integration by part. Now that is equal to outside 2 within the bracket u into it is v. U is called it is tan inverse of x, v is called it is x. Therefore it is u is called tan inverse of it is x and then it is v equal to x. So it is u into v minus integral it is v equal to x du that is equal to dx. 1 by it is 1 plus x square into dx. Therefore it is v equal to x. Then it is du, d equal to 1 by 1 plus it is x square into dx. 1 by 1 plus it is x square into it is dx. So now this is integral value equal to 0 to 1, this integral value equal to 0 to it is 1. Integration of it is u into dv is equal to uv minus integral v into du. Therefore it is integration of it is u into dv, that is called it is uv minus integration of v into du. Now just write as it is 2 time of, the 2 is common for the both it is terms. Therefore 2 time of it is tan inverse of x into tan inverse of it x, the limits are it is 0 and it is 1 as it is, minus integration of 0 to 1 x by 1 plus it is x square into dx. Now we have to taking of it is applying of integral formula. Integral it is f dash of it is x by f of it is x into dx is equal to log it is f of x. Apply this, it is integral formula here. So now we can take it is a function that is equal to 1 plus it is x square. Then f dash of it is x is equal to 0 plus it is 2 it is x, that is equal to 2 it is x. So now we have this numerator f dash of x equal to it is x only, but f dash of x we are taking it is 2x. Therefore we want to multiply and divide by it is 2 in this it is term. Therefore that is equal to 2 time of within the bracket of it is x tan x, the limits are it is 0 and it is 1 as it is, minus we have to multiply and divide by. So first divided by 1 by 2, integral 0 to it is 1, 2 it is x by 1 plus it is x square into it is dx. Now multiply and divide by it is 2 in this term. Now we will get this term is called it is f dash of x, 1 plus x square is called f of x. F dash of x by f of x, we can apply this log f of x. F of x is called it is 1 plus it is x square. Therefore that is equal to 2 within the bracket again x into tan inverse of x, the limits are 0 and it is 1, minus it is 1 by 2, and this it is integration defined by it is log of it is 1 plus it is x square, and the limits are it is 0 and 1 as it is. So apply this it is integral formula. Now just next line we have to applying of it upper limit lower limit for these two terms. Then that is equal to 2 in the outside. Now apply upper limit for this term. X upper limit is limit 1. Substitute x value equal upper limit. It is 1 within the bracket of tan inverse of it is 1 minus lower limit equal to 0 in any term becomes 0 is 0. Second term 0, and then it is minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into log of it is 1 plus x value equal to 1, it is 1 square is called it is 1 minus within the bracket 1 by 2 into this term. 1 by 2 into log of it is 1 plus 0 square is called it is 0, it is 1. Therefore it is 1. Then that is equal to 2 within the bracket tan inverse of it is x, tan inverse of it is 1, 0 is cancelled, minus within the bracket 1 by 2 into log it is 2, minus it is 1 by 2 into log it is 1. That is equal to 2 times of it is tan. Tan what value of it is tan, it is equal to 1. Tan it is 45 degrees, it is called tan pi by 4. Therefore it is tan it is pi by 4 equal to 1. Therefore it is pi by it is 4. Tan inverse of n, what value of it is tan, it is 1, pi by 4, tan pi by 4 value equal to 1. Minus it is within the bracket of it is 1 by it is 2 and log it is 2. Then it is minus it is 1 by 2 log 1 that is equal to 0. Log 1 equal to 0. Therefore it is 0 as value. That is equal to 2 time of within the bracket of pi by it is 4 minus it is 1 by 2 log of it is 2 and second term it is cancel. Now just multiply it is 1 by 2 inside the bracket pi by 2 cancel it, remaining it is 2 minus 2 to r it is cancel, it is log it is 2. Log it is 2. And now we want to prove the statement pi by 2 minus it is log 2 is called final simplification. The next example number it is 2.29. Evaluate integral 2 to 3 square root of x by square root of 5 minus x plus root of it is x into dx. Evaluate this integral. Now let us consider the given it is integral is defined by either is equal to integral it is 2 to it is 3 square root of x by square root of it is 5 minus it is x plus it is root it is x into it is dx. Now for this it is sum we have to applying of it is integral formula. Integral formula of a to it is b f of it is x that is equal to into dx that is equal to integration of it is a to b f of x dx that is equal to integral it is a to it is b f of a plus b minus it is x into dx. Apply this integral formula to simplify. Integration of it is a to b f of x dx is equal to integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. A plus b is called upper limit, it is lower limit, upper limit values are a plus it is b minus dx in dx. So now apply this integral formula for given sum. Therefore given I that is equal to integration of it is 2 to 3. 2 to it is 3 square root of it is instead of x we want to replace a plus it is b minus x. A is called 2, b is called it is 3. Therefore 2 plus it is 3 minus it is x. A plus b minus it is x by similarly 5 the square root of it is 5 minus a is called 2, b is called 3 minus it is x. Then plus it is square root of it is x we can write a plus b minus x. 2 plus it is 3 minus x into it is dx. So integration of it is a to b square root of a plus b minus x dx square root of 5 minus a plus b minus x plus it is square root of a plus b minus x and into dx. Now simplify the equation. Therefore it is equal to integration of 2 to it is 3. The square root of it is add the numerators called it is 5 minus it is x by and square root of within the bracket of 5 minus and add the value it is minus and plus into minus is called minus it is 5. Then minus into plus minus is called plus it is x and then plus square root of adding the value equal to 5 minus it is x into it is dx. That is equal to integral 2 to it is 3. Integral 2 to 3 square root of 5 minus it is x into it is dx by the square root of 5 5's are cancelled, remaining it is x plus square root of it is 5 minus it is x and this it is defined by it is up to 9. Now just it is defined this it is equation is called it is 1 and this it is equation is called it is 2. Just adding of 1 plus it is 2 that implies. What is the 1? Left hand side equation of 1 equal to I plus it is second equation left hand side equal to plus it is I. It is equal integration of it is 2 to 3. The equation equal to square root of it is x by square root of 5 minus it is x plus it is square root of it is x into dx is called first equation. Integration of 2 to it is 3 square root of it is 5 minus x by square root of it is x plus square root of it is 5 minus it is x into dx is called second equation. And comparing the two terms, the same it is in integration it is 2 to it is 3 same and then it is taking off it is common denominator, both are it is root 5 root of it is x root of x plus root 5 minus x root of it is 5 minus x, both are same. Take it is common denominator equal to root it is 5 minus x plus it is root x is common denominator. Just adding off it is numerator, it is root it is 5 root x plus root of it is 5 minus it is x into it is dx. Both are the same term, both are it is cancelled and remaining it is called integration of 2 to 3, integration of it is dx, integration of dx. Therefore, what is remaining? Integration of it is 2 to 3 into dx. Therefore, integration of it is 2 to it is 3 into dx, that is only remaining. Now that is equal to, and integration of it is dx, integration of it is dx, that is equal to x. Therefore x, the limits are, it is 2 and 3, that is equal to, apply the upper limit, lower limit, upper limit value equal to 3 minus lower limit equal to, it is 2. Therefore 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. The left hand side equation we have, it is I plus I, that is equal to 2 into I. Therefore it is 2, it is I, that is equal to 1. Therefore I is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore what is I? I is called integration of, it is 2 to 3, root of it is x, by it is root of it is 5 minus it is x, plus it is root x into dx, that is called I, that value equal to 1 by 2. Come to next example. The example number 9.20, evaluate integral minus it is pi 2 plus pi cos square x by 1 plus it is a power x into dx. Now first it is, let us consider the I is equal to given integral minus it is pi 2 plus it is pi cos square it is x by 1 plus it is ax into it is dx. Now applying of it is integral formula, integral it is a to it is b, f of it is a, f of it is x into it is dx, that is equal integral it is a to it is b, f of a plus it is b minus it is x into it is dx. Apply this integral formula now. Now here it is a to b, that is defined by minus pi to plus pi. Therefore given integral, it is I is equal to integral minus pi 2 plus it is pi and cos square of it is, you can write x is equal to minus it is pi plus it is pi minus pi plus it is pi into x by 1 plus a power x, x is called minus it is pi plus it is pi minus it is x into it is dx. Function of it is a plus b minus x, a plus b minus x. Function value you can write a plus b minus x. Instead of it is x, we have to replace a plus b minus x for the given it is function. Now minus pi plus pi are cancelled, remaining it is minus x, minus pi plus pi are cancelled, remaining it is e power it is minus x. Therefore next line, that is equal, if the I is equal to integral minus pi 2 plus it is pi cos square of it is minus it is x by 1 plus it is a power it is minus x remaining into dx. Now we can write it, we know it is cos it is minus it is theta is equal to cos it is theta. This is a formula. Fourth quadrant, cos value equal to positive. Therefore cos square minus it is x become plus cos square, that is equal to integral minus pi 2 plus it is 5 cos square it is x into it is dx by 1 plus the a power it is minus x, power is called minus, right, denominator form 1 by it is a power it is x, just it is taking common denominator. Integration minus pi 2 it is plus it is pi cos square it is x into it is dx by it is multiplied term a square ax plus it is 1 by it is ax, that ax comes with its numerator, that is equal integration of it is minus pi 2 plus it is pi ax, a power it is x into it is cos square x into it is dx by 1 plus it is a power it is x. The a power comes numerator, integration of it is minus pi 2 plus pi, a power it is x into cos square it is x into dx. And this it is equation, you can see it is 2. The considered given equation is equal to 1. So it is given equation equal to I, obtain it is I, obtain I is defined by it is and this equation. And adding off it is first equation, second equation. Adding off it is first equation plus second equation, that implies what is the left hand side equation? To I plus it is I, that is equal to integration of it is minus pi 2 plus it is pi, the first equation equal to cos square x by it is 1 plus it is a power it is x into dx plus integration of it is minus pi 2 plus pi, the second equation equal to a power it is x into cos square it is x by it is 1 plus it is a power it is x into dx. Now comparing of two it is term, both are same integral, it is minus pi to plus pi, and just we can take common, it is integration. Integral it is minus, it is pi to, it is plus, it is pi. Cos square it is x, and by it is 1 plus it is a power it is x first term, plus second term equal to a power x into cos square it is x by 1 plus it is a power x into it is dx. In the this two term, cos square x by 1 plus a power x common, we have taken a common term, it is called, that is equal to integration of it is minus pi to it is plus pi, cos square x by 1 plus it is a power x, it is take commonly. What is remaining in the first term? First term fully common, remaining is called 1, plus second term it is cos square divided by 1 plus a power x take commonly, remaining term is called it is a power it is x into it is dx. Now 1 plus a power x into 1 plus both are it is cancel, and remaining it is called integral it is minus pi to plus pi cos square x into dx. Therefore the next line, that is equal to integral it is minus pi to plus pi cos square it is x into it is dx only remaining. Now applying of it is integral it is formula to find out as even function odd function, because of it is interval minus pi to it is plus pi, one of the middle value equal to 0. If it is even function, just it is applying of remove of negative side, multiply by 2. Therefore it is f of it is x, consider function is called cos square. It is cos square it is x. Now f of it is minus x, that is equal to cos minus it is x, it is whole it is square, that is equal to f of minus it is cos x, that is equal to cos x only, cos x it is whole square, that is equal to cos square it is x. Cos square is defined by f of it is x. Therefore f of minus x, that is equal to f of x. The function is called it is and it is even it is function, even function. Therefore we can deduct the interval minus pi to plus it is pi, as it is 2 time of interval 0 to pi, that is equal to 2 time of integral 0 to it is pi, then cos square it is x into it is dx. Now we know it is cos square it is theta, that is equal to 1 plus it is cos it is 2 theta by it is 2. Now apply this cos square formula as it is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2, that is equal to 2 time of integral 0 to it is pi, 0 to pi, 1 plus cos 2 it is x by 2 into it is dx. Then next line just keep outside, that is equal to 2 by it is 2 integral 0 to it is pi, then 1 plus cos 2x into it is dx. That is equal to 2 are cancel, integration multiply the bracket, integral 0 to it is pi, multiply it is dx, plus it is integral 0 to it is pi, cos it is 2x into dx. Now integration of dx is equal to x, the limits are it is 0 and it is pi, plus it is integration of cos it is 2x dx value. You know integral formula, integration of it is cos it is 2 it is theta into d theta, is equal to cos become plus it is sin it is 2 it is theta, and quotient of it is theta equal to 2, therefore it is 1 by it is 2. Therefore it is what it is, cos it is 2x equal to 1 by it is 2 into sin it is 2 it is x, the limits are it is 0 and it is pi as it is, that is equal to, apply upper limit value, pi minus it is 0, then plus it is applied upper limit value 1 by 2 into sin it is 2 into x value equal to pi, minus it is 1 by 2 into sin it is 2 into x value equal to 0. Upper limit value minus it is lower limit value, that is equal to pi remaining, plus it is 1 by it is 2 into sin it is 2 it is pi, minus it is 1 by 2 into sin it is 0. That is equal to pi, plus it is 1 by 2 into sin it is 2 pi equal to 0, 2 pi equal to 0, and sin 0 also 0, 1 by 2 into 0. Therefore it is second full term are cancelled, remaining is equal to pi. Therefore the left hand side is equal to what? It is I plus it is I is left hand side equation, that is equal to it is pi. Therefore 2I that is equal to it is pi, then I that is equal to pi by it is 2. I is what? It is integral minus pi 2 plus it is pi cos it is square x by 1 plus a power it is x dx, that is called I value, that is equal to pi by this 2. This is called final simplification. Come to next one. Exercise problem 9.3. Evaluate following it is definite integral. First subdivision, first subdivision integral it is 2 to 3 dx by square root of 2 to 3 dx by x square minus a square. That will convert integral it is 3 to it is 4 dx by x square minus it is 2 square form. So we know the integral formula. Integral it is dx by x square minus it is a square, that is equal to 1 by 2a into log of it is x minus it is a, x minus a by it is x plus it is a. Apply this, it is integral formula. To integrate it is the first derivation. Second it is 1 integral minus 1 to plus it is 1 dx by x square plus 2x plus it is 5. And first of all we have to convert it is denominator. Applying of it is completing square method to find out as the standard form. After that we applying of it is integral formula of it is dx by x square plus it is a square, that is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of it is x by it is a. Apply this integral formula to simplify the integration. Once again, this it is second subdivision. First we have to consider denominator. Applying of it is completing square method. You know, example sums we have discussed one method of it is completing square method. Using the completing square method to convert this denominator as a square form, and this it is denominator comes in the form of x square plus it is a square form. Therefore, applying of integration of integration of dx by x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. Apply this it is integral formula to simplify. Come to it is third subdivision. Integral 0 to 1 square root of 1 minus x by 1 plus x into dx. There is no direct formula. This we have to reorder the equation. Therefore, given integral 0 to this 1, we have to multiply and multiplied by x 1 minus x in this equation. 1 minus x by 1 plus this x, just multiply 1 minus x by 1 minus this x into it is a dx. So numerator same term 1 minus x whole square. Denominator it is 1 plus x, 1 minus x, a plus b, a minus b form, a square minus b square value. And that is equal to integral 0 to this 1, the square root of 1 minus it is x, it is whole square by a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, it is 1 square minus it is x square into dx. Now separating of the square root, numerator number separately, and that is equal to integral 0 to this 1 square root of 1 minus it is x it is whole square by square root of it is 1 minus it is x square into it is dx. Now square and square root both are cancelled. Therefore, it is equal to integral 0 to it is 1 minus it is x numerator remaining, because square root and square are cancelled. But the square root denominator as it is square root of 1 minus x square into it is dx. Now separating of it is numerator, that is equal to integral 0 to it is 1 by the square root of 1 minus it is x square into it is dx minus middle minus integral 0 to 1 x into dx by the square root of it is 1 minus it is x square. Just it is separating of numerator 1 by square root of 1 minus x square minus x by square root of 1 minus x square. So if you integrating of this it is 1, we know integration of it is 1 by square root of it is 1 minus it is x square, dx is equal to sine inverse of it is x by applying of it is integral formula. Therefore, if you integral this one, it is equal to sine inverse of it is x, the upper limit lower limit are 0 and it is 1 minus, and there is no direct formula for this one. Therefore 0 to it is 1 x by the square root of 1 minus it is x square into dx, this keep it is as it is. In the last this equation, now we have to take the within the bracket, within the square root value is equal to take the is equal to t. Now put it is t that is equal to 1 minus it is x square. Now differentiate with respect to it is x on both sides. T differentiate with respect to it is x, it is dt, and is equal to 0 minus differentiate x square equal to 2x into it is dx, that is equal to minus 2x into dx, that is equal to dt. Now the numerator we have, it is x into dx, just it is minus 2 transferred to left hand side equation, minus it is dt by it is 2, that is equal to x into dx. The second integral, numerator we have x into dx, but we have here it is minus 2 into x dx, just we have to transfer minus 2 left hand side equation, therefore minus dt by it is 2, that is called it is x into dx value. Now we are obtained the x, now x variable 2, it is t variable. Next we want to find out as this range of the function. The from it is x2 it is t. X is called, the range are it is 0 and it is 1, 0 it is 1. Put x equal to 0 in the t, 0, 1 minus 0 square is called it is 1, and put x value equal to 1, 1 minus 1 square is called 1, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, it is x range from given x range equal to 0 to 1, but converted variable t, the range equal to 1 to 0. Now, at the last it is equation, that is what? First term as it is, sin it is inverse of it is x, sin inverse of x, limits are it is 0 and it is 1 as it is minus. Now, it is integral it is instead of it is 0 to 1, 0 to 1, we have to write as t variable equal 1 to 0, 1 to 0. Then x into dx, x dx we can replace it is minus it is dt by it is 2. Then it is 1 by square root of it is 1 minus x square. This term defined by what? It is t. Therefore it is square 1 by square root of it is t. Now this minus it is 1 by 2 keep outside. Therefore that is equal to sin it is inverse of it is x. The limits are 0 and it is 1. Minus plus it is 1 by 2, the 2 keep outside, and then integral it is 0, 1 to 0, and it is root of 1 by root of it is t, we can write t power it is 1 by 2, therefore 1 by t power it is 1 by 2 into dt. Now this t power 1 by 2 we can write numerator form, it is equal to sin inverse of it is x, the limits are it is 0 and it is 1, plus it is 1 by 2, the limits are 1 and 0. Then it is t power it is 1 by minus 2, 1 by t power it is minus it is 1 by 2 because write the numerator form into it is dt. Now we have to integrate, that is equal to sin it is inverse of it is x, limits are it is 0 1 as it is, plus it is 1 by 2, and integration of this one, what is it? It is integration of x power it is n form into dx, that is equal to x power it is n plus it is 1 by n plus 1 is called integral formula. Here n equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore t power it is minus it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus it is 1. The limits are 1 to 0, 1 to 0. That is equal to sin it is inverse of it is x, the limits are it is 0, it is 1 as it is, 1 by it is 2, within the bracket it is t power, taking common denominator minus 1 plus it is multiplied 2 minus 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 2 plus it is 1 by 2, similarly it is 1 by 2 is denominator as it is 1 2 it is 0. Now applying of it is upper limit lower limit value, the next it is a line. The next line that is equal to just apply upper limit value, sin it is inverse of it is 1 is called upper limit, minus y limit equal to 0, minus it is sin inverse of it is 0, upper limit value, first term. Then it is second it is 1, plus it is 1 by 2 outside within the bracket, upper limit value equal to 0 power it is 1 by 2, and by it is 1 by 2. Then it apply upper limit value, lower limit value, minus of it is 1 power it is 1 by 2 by it is 1 by it is 2. Now that is equal to sin inverse of 1. What value of it is sin it is 1? Sin 90 degree equal 1. This called 90 is called pi by it is 2. Therefore pi by 2 minus sin inverse of 0. Sin what value it is 0? Sin 0 equal to 0. Sin 0 equal to 0. Plus it is 1 by 2 within the bracket. 0 is simply 0, minus it is 1 power any value it is 1 by it is 1 by 2 as it is. And this equal to pi by it is 2. Plus it is 1 by 2 in the outside within the bracket of, and take reciprocal value, minus it is 2. So both are it is 2 are cancel minus, therefore it is minus pi by 2 minus it is minus plus into minus 2 are cancel, remaining it is called it is 1. Therefore, and this called it is final simplification of the sum. Come to next exercise problem. Subdivision number it is 4. The given integral 0 to pi by 2 e power x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x into dx. So before going to solve the sum, we know the formula. It is cos square. Cos square it is theta that is equal to 1 plus it is cos it is 2 theta by it is 2. Therefore it is 2 times of it is cos square it is theta. It is equal to 1 plus it is cos it is 2 theta. Now the arguments are divided by it is 2. 1 plus it is cos it is 2 it is theta by 2. It is equal to 2 times of it is cos square it is theta by 2. 2 are cancelled. 1 plus it is cos it is theta. Therefore 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 times of it is cos square it is theta by it is 2. Okay, similarly sin it is 2 theta equal to 2 times of it is sin it is theta into it is cos it is theta. Now this argument 2 theta divided by it is 2, sin it is 2 theta by it is 2 is equal to 2 times of sin it is theta by 2 into cos it is theta by 2. 2 are cancelled. It is sin it is theta equal to 2 into sin it is theta by 2 into cos it is theta by 2. It is a sin theta value. Now instead of it is sin x, we have to replace 2 times of sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. 1 plus cos x, 1 plus cos it is theta equal to 2 times of cos square x by 2, and apply this formula. Therefore the given integral it is 0 to it is pi by it is 2 e power it is x within the bracket of 1 plus it is sin it is x by 1 plus cos it is x into it is dx. That is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2 e power it is x as it is. Now within the bracket of 1 plus sin x we can write 2 times of it is sin it is x by 2 into cos it is x by it is 2 by 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 times of it is cos square it is x by 2 into dx. Applying of this, it is this trigonometrical formulas. Now separating of denominator, that is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2 e power it is x as it is within the bracket. Separating of it is numerator 1 by it is 2 into cos square it is x by 2 plus it is 2 into sin it is x by it is 2 into cos it is x by it is 2 by cos square 2 times of it is cos it is square x by it is 2 into it is dx. Now the what is the terms are cancelled. Sin x by 2 one term it is cancelled, and then it is we can write as it is 2 times of it is tan x. Don't cancel 2, keep as it is. Now that is equal, next line, integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2 e power it is x as it is. Now 1 by 2 that 1 by 2 it is keep outside. 1 by it is 2 into the square root within the bracket of 1 by cos it is square x by it is 2 plus it is this 2 it is as it is sin x by 2 by one more it is cos x by 2. One only cancel, remaining one more here. Therefore sin by cos equal to tan it is x by 2 into it is dx. Now this 1 by 2 keep it is outside. That is equal to 1 by 2 integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2 e power it is x within the bracket 1 by it is cos square it is x by 2. 1 by cos equal to secant. Therefore secant square x by 2. 1 by cos equal to secant. Secant it is square x by it is 2 plus it is 2 times of it is tan it is x by it is 2 into it is dx. Now we have to simplify the step by applying of the 11th integral formula. Integral e power it is x within the bracket of f dash of it is x plus it is f of it is x into dx that is equal to e power x into it is f of x plus it is c. Apply this, it is integral formula. You remember this formula. Integration of it is e power x into f dash of x plus f of x dx equal to e power x into f of x plus it is c. Now what is here f of x? Consider f of x called 2 into tan x by it is 2. Now let us consider it is what f of it is x that is equal to 2 times of it is tan x by it is 2. Now differentiate f dash of it is x differentiation f of x differentiation equal to f dash of x, that is equal to is called quotient term. Differentiation of it is tan becomes secant square. Secant square it is x by 2. Again we have to differentiate the term x by 2 equal to quotient of it is x equal to 1 by 2. X differential with respect to x is 1. Therefore into 1 by it is 2. Therefore into 1 by 2. Therefore it is 2 are cancelled. That is equal to secant it is x by 2 remaining. That is called what? F dash of it is x. Therefore f dash of x equal to secant square x by 2. F of x equal to 2 into tan into x by 2. F dash of x plus f of x, that is equal to e power x into f of x. Here it is f of x, it is f dash of x. Therefore this it is integration, it is finally become e power x into f of x. Therefore next line, that is equal to 1 by 2 in the outside. Integration of this one, that is equal to e power x into f of x. E power it is x, it is as it is, into f of x is called 2 time of it is tan it is x by it is 2. The integration of it is values are 0 to it is 1. The limits are 0 to pi by it is 2. And it is equal to, and 2 it is keep outside, 2 by it is 2 within the bracket of e power x into tan x by it is 2. The limits are 0 and it is pi by it is 2. Now we have to apply the upper limit lower limit value. The two are cancelled. Within the bracket of e power it is upper limit equal to pi by it is 2. X value equal to pi by 2 into tan x value equal to pi by it is 2 by it is 2. X value equal to pi by 2 by it is 2. It is upper limit value minus y limit equal to 0. E power it is 0 into tan it is 0 by it is 2. Now that is equal to e power it is pi by 2 as it is. Then it is tan it is, this 2 comes denominator, pi by it is 4, it is pi by it is 4, minus e power 0 equal to 1 into tan 0 equal to 0. And that is equal to e power it is pi by it is 2 as it is, into tan pi by 4 is called tan 45 degree equal to 1, and minus 0 and 1 is called 0. That is equal to e power it is pi by it is 2, and this final it is simplification. Come to next exercise problem. Integration 0 to it is pi by 2 square root of cos theta into sin cube theta into d theta. Now that is equal to integration, it is 0 to it is pi by 2 square root of it is cos it is theta keep as it is. Sin cube theta we can write sin square it is theta into it is sin it is theta into d theta. Now sin square we can write 1 minus it is cos square, that is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2 square root of it is cos it is theta into 1 minus it is cos square it is theta into it is sin it is theta into d theta. Now square root we can write whole power it is 1 by 2, that is equal to integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2 cos it is theta whole power it is 1 by it is 2 within the bracket of 1 minus it is cos square it is theta into it is sin it is theta into it is d theta. Now just multiply in the bracket, it is integral 0 to it is pi by it is 2 and cos it is cos theta power 1 by 2 into 1 is cos it is theta whole power it is 1 by 2 minus, then it is cos it is power 1 by 2 into cos power it is 2. It is equal to cos theta whole power it is 1 by 2 plus it is 2 into it is sin it is theta into it is d theta. Now add the value 1 plus 1 by 2 plus it is 1, take common denominator as a 2. Therefore 1 plus 2 2s are it is 4 by it is 2, it is called 5. Therefore that is equal to integral 0 to pi by it is 2 cos it is power it is cos theta whole power it is 1 by 2 minus cos it is theta whole power it is 5 by 2 within the bracket into sin it is theta into d theta. Now we can take it as cos theta equal to it is t. Now put it as t is equal to cos it is theta. Differentiation become it is d theta, that is equal to differentiation of it is cos become minus it is sin it is theta into d theta. Now we have it is sin theta d theta. Just transfer this minus to left hand side equation. Minus it is dt is equal to sin it is theta into d theta. So now what we have to find next line, if you are taking off any variable that is equal to t, just we have to find out as it is the range of the function. Therefore range, what is range from it is theta 2 it is t. The theta range are it is 0 to it is pi by 2, 0 to it is pi by it is 2. Put 0 in the t, cos 0 equal to 1, cos value theta value equal to pi by 2, cos it is pi by 2, cos 90 equal to 0. Therefore theta range are 0 to it is pi by 2, t range equal to 1 to it is 2. Now substitute in the last it is integral. Therefore last it is line that is equal to, instead of the integral 0 to it is pi by 2, we want to write 1 to it is 0. Integral it is 1 to 0. Then cos theta is considered as t, therefore t power it is 1 by 2 minus t power it is pi by 2, and sin theta d theta that is equal minus dt. Therefore cos theta whole power 1 by 2, write as t power it is 1 by 2 minus t power it is 5 by it is 2 into sin theta d theta that is equal to minus dt, minus it is dt. Now write minus outside, minus integral it is 1 to 0, t power it is 1 by 2 minus t power it is 5 by it is 2 into it is dt. Because of it is minus, just remove that by applying of integral formula. Integral it is a to it is b, f of it is x into dx that is equal to minus integral b to it is a, f of it is x into dx. If we multiply minus, the upper limit lower limits are changes, lower limit minus lower limit to upper limit. Therefore that is equal to, remove the minus, integral it is instead of 1 to 0, you can write 0 to it is 1, t power it is 1 by 2 minus t power it is 5 by it is 2 into dt it is as it is. Now integrate x power it is n form. You know integration of it is x power n it is dx that is equal to x power it is n plus it is 1 by it is n plus 1 formula. Now integrate value is equal to t power it is 1 by 2 plus it is 1 by it is 1 by 2 plus it is 1. Similarly t power it is 5 by it is 2 plus it is 1 by 5 by it is 2 plus it is 1. The limits are it is 0 to 1. Simplify the denominator, that is equal to t power, add the value 1 plus it is 1 by 2 plus it is 1, therefore take common denominator 1 plus 2 by it is 2, therefore it is 3 by 2 by, again it is denominator also same, it is 3 by 2 plus minus 5 plus take common denominator 5 plus it is 2 by it is 2, 5 plus 2 equal to 7. So t power it is 7 by 2 by it is 7 by it is 2, the limits are it is 0 to it is 1. And this equal to, now take reciprocal 2 by it is 3 into t power it is 3 by it is 2 minus take reciprocal 2 by it is 7, t power it is 7 by 2, the limits are it is 0 and it is 1. Now apply the upper limit lower limit value, upper limit equal to 1 for it is t, therefore it is 2 by 3 as it is, 1 power it is 3 by 2 minus it is 2 by it is 7 and it is 1 power it is 7 by it is 2 upper limit value. And then y limit 0 into any term 0 in term 0, simply the second y limit value equal to 0, that is equal to 1 power any value 1 power any value 1, therefore it is 2 by it is 3 minus it is 2 by it is 7. Now we want to take common denominator equal to, multiply the term it is 20 it is 1, just cross by the value, 7 into 2 is called 14 and 2 into 3 is called 6, that is equal to separate term 8 by it is 21 and it's called final simplification. Come to next exercise problem. Given integral 0 to 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square whole square into dx. Now given integral it is 0 to it is 1 minus it is x square by 1 plus it is x square it is whole square into dx. Now the next line, the numerator we have to take x square as common, denominator we have to take x is common, that is equal to integration of 0 to it is 1, take x square as commonly, in this it is 1 minus it is x square, we can take it is x square as commonly, we have 1 by it is x square minus it is 1. So if you multiply this term 1 x square inside the bracket, x square by x square will get this it is 1 minus x square into 1 is called it is x square. So therefore the numerator will have x square into 1 by x square minus it is 1. Similarly 1 plus it is x square it is whole square, we have to take x from it is the bracket, we can outside it comes it is square form, Therefore, it is x square, we can take outside 1 by it is x plus it is x whole power it is 2. If you multiply it is x term into the bracket, goes inside the bracket, it is as x form. Therefore, it is x by x is equal to 1. X into x is called x square we will get. Therefore, instead of the numerator 1 minus x square, we have to write x square into 1 by x square minus it is 1. Instead of the denominator 1 plus x square whole square, we can write x square into 1 by x plus x whole square. Therefore, numerator it is x square into 1 by it is x square minus it is 1 by denominator we can write x square into 1 by it is x plus it is x, it is whole square into dx. Now, x square both are cancelled, that is equal to integral 0 to it is 1 by it is x square minus it is 1 with numerator by 1 by it is x plus it is x, it is whole square denominator into dx. Now what we have to do next line, take the denominator within the bracket term that is equal to t. Now put it is t is equal to 1 by x plus it is x. Now 1 by x we can write that is equal to x power it is minus 1 plus it is x. So now this it is equation differentiate with respect to it is x, differentiation of t equal to dt that is equal to x power n form differentiation, you know, d by it is dx of x power it is n that is equal to n into x power it is n minus 1. Therefore, minus it is 1 into x power it is minus 1 plus differentiation of it is x that is equal to 1. That is equal to minus x power it is minus 2 plus it is 1 that is equal to minus it is 1 by it is x square plus it is 1 into it is dx into dx into dx into it is dx that is equal to dt. So we have a term 1 by x square minus 1, but we have it is minus 1 by x square plus 1. If you take it is minus in the bracket, minus you can take commonly, it is minus become plus it is 1 by x square minus it is 1. Minus into plus minus 1 by x square minus plus it is 1 into dx that is equal to dt. Now this minus multiplied left hand side minus it is dt that is equal to 1 by it is x square minus 1 into dx. See that the numerator we have 1 by x square minus x into dx, that we have to replace minus dt. Now it is 1 by x plus x is called, we will consider as a t, and t power it is 2 into it is a dx already we have. Now the variable from it is x2 we convert as t, we must find out as it is range of the function. What is range? Here x variable the range of it is 0 to it is 1, and put it is x equal to 0 here. Put it is x that is equal to 0, therefore t equal to 1 by 0 plus it is 0. That is equal to 1 by 0 is called infinity plus 0, that is equal to infinity. Therefore it is t, put x value equal to 0, corresponding t value equal to infinity. Put x that is equal to 1, therefore t equal to 1 by 1 plus it is 1, that is equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Put x equal to 1, the corresponding t value equal to 2. Therefore the next line, just it is substitute convert it is x variable to it is t variable. The final it is equation is called this line. Therefore, it is equal to integral instead of it is 0 to 1, we should write a t variable equal to infinity to 2 it is 2. Infinity to it is 2. Then it is 1 by x square minus 1 into dx. 1 by x square and minus 1 into dx we have to replace minus dt. It is minus it is dt. Then it is 1 by 1 plus 1 by x plus x, 1 by 1 plus x plus x, that is called as t, that is total, the bracket term is called t square, 1 by it is t square is called term. So the minus keep outside, minus integral infinity to 2, 1 by it is t square into dt. Now write numerator form, it is minus integral it is infinity to it is 2, t power it is minus 2 into it is dt. Just it is interchanging the upper limit lower limit, minus will cancel, that is equal to integral 2 to it is infinity, t power it is minus 2 into dt. Now integrate the integrated value by applying of integral formula, integral it is x power it is n dx that is equal to x power it is n plus 1 by n plus 1 is integral formula for this integral. Here n equal to minus 2, that is equal to t power it is minus 2 plus 1 by 2 plus it is 1. The upper limit lower limits are it is 2 and it is infinity. That is equal to t power separate term minus 1 by it is minus 1. The limits are it is 2 to it is infinity, and keep it is minus outside. It is t power it is minus 1 right, 1 by it is t, 1 by it is t. The limits are it is 2 to it is infinity as it is. Now just applying of upper limit lower limit value, that is equal minus it is outside, upper limit equal to infinity, 1 by infinity minus it is lower limit equal to 1 by it is 2. That is equal to minus within the bracket of 1 by infinity. Infinity is called it is 1 by 0. So 1 by 0, 1 by it is 0, minus it is 1 by it is 2 as it is. That is equal to minus within the bracket of 0 goes numerator, 0 by 1 minus it is 1 by it is 2. That is equal to minus within the bracket of 0 by it is 1 is called 0, minus it is 1 by 2 as it is. Therefore 0 will cancel, minus minus plus that is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore final simplification that is equal to 1 by 2. Come to next exercise problem. The second it is 1. Evaluate the following it is integral by using of it is property of integral. The first one is given integral minus by 2 plus 5 x into cos of e power x minus 1 by e power x plus it is 1 dx. Now let us consider the given it is function is called it is f of x that is equal to e power it is x into cos it is e power it is x minus 1 by it is e power x plus it is 1. Now we have to verify the given function is called either it is even function or odd function. Just we have to verify that what is it, replacing of f of it is minus x that is equal to minus x into e cos of it is e power it is minus x minus 1 by e power it is minus x plus it is 1. Now if you simplify this it is equation, we will get a final answer equal to f of minus x that is equal to minus it is f of x. Therefore we can say the function is called it is odd function. Therefore the total integral value integral it is minus it is a2 plus it is a f of it is x into dx that is equal to 0. So applying of it is odd it is function property, integral minus a2 plus it is a f of x dx that is equal to 0. If it is function is called odd function, the total integral value equal to 0. Just it is verify f of it is minus x that is equal to minus f of x. This it is equation, this function comes finally it is odd function. Therefore the total integral of minus by 2 plus by x into cos of e power x minus 1 by e power x plus it is 1 dx value that is equal to 0. Just you try the as a homework. And similarly here also it is a second subdivision, integral minus by 2 plus upper limit lower limits are plus and minus. So if it is integral value minus plus it is the integral value, first we have to verify the given function is called even or odd. For this one we have to separating of it is the integration of it is minus pi to plus it is pi by it is 2 x power it is 5 into dx plus integral minus pi by 2 to it is plus it is pi by 2 x into it is cos it is x into dx plus integral it is minus pi by 2 to plus it is pi by 2 tan power it is 3x into dx plus integral 1 it is called minus it is pi by 2 plus it is pi by 2 into dx. For this here it is verify of it is odd function even property, x power 5 is called odd function, therefore this becomes it is 0, and x into cos x, if you verify this it is function x cos x it is odd function or even function, it is also it is odd function, this value also 0, and again we verify it is tan cube x, verifying of it is odd function even function, it is also odd function, value becomes 0, and finally we have to evaluate it is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 dx value. We know integration of dx equal to x, so just we have to integrate and find our final answer. Now subdivision number 3, integral minus it is pi by 4 to plus it is pi by 4 sin square x in dx. Again we want to verify it is sin square is called function value, either it is even or odd, it is even function. Therefore it is, if it is even function, minus a2 plus it is a, one of the middle value equal to 0, remove the negative side and multiply by 2 by applying of integral formula minus a2 plus a f of x dx that is equal to 2 times of integral 0 to it is a f of it is x into dx. The integral minus a2 plus a, one of the middle value equal to 0. If it is even function, therefore cos sin square is called even function, Therefore, it is the reduction of it is minus integration of it is minus it is pi by it is 4 2 plus it is pi by 2 1 pi by 4 one of the middle value equal to 0. Remove this negative sign 2 times of integral 0 to pi by 2. So if applied first it is even it is function property and reduct the value it is 2 times of integral 0 to a f of a dx value. After that we can write a sin it is square theta equal to 1 plus 1 minus it is cos it is 2 theta 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Apply this it is trigonometrical formula for it is sin square x. Then simplify the final it is integration value. That you try the three sums as today as a homework. Thank you, one and all.